Hi and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to cook hotpot. Now you're going to peel your Irish potato and wash. A tip to avoid black potatoes is to always place them in water, whether done peeling or not. Now we equally need some tomatoes, we'll need some green spices as well as some ginger and garlic. We'll need some seasoning cubes and salt. We'll need ginger, garlic, onions as mentioned, and we are just going to blend it to a fine paste. For our protein of choice, we'll be using some beef. You can use fish, smoked chicken, whichever protein you have, you can use it. We'll need more onions and you see how we use it. Now we need some boiled eggs. In my house they eat Irish potatoes with boiled eggs, so you will need it. So you're going to proceed to wash your eggs. I have always advised everybody to wash their eggs, and you're going to proceed to boil your eggs. So into your pot you add your eggs and then add some salt. Now you can decide to add salt or not, but this helps the peeling process to be a lot more easier. After your eggs have boiled, you're going to place them in cold water. Now this is our washed Irish potato. We are going to add some salt and then let the excess water strain out. After that is done, we are going to heat up some oil and proceed to fry our Irish potato. Now the reason why we are frying Irish potato is so that we actually do not get potatoes that will scatter in the pot. It is going to remain whole. This is advisable. In most cases you can parboil before frying. And once we are done, we are going to take out our Irish potato and then head over to our stew. There was no electricity, so I decided to grate my tomatoes, and this is what we have. It is still perfect. We equally proceeded to grind our green spices using a grinding stone. We equally added pepper at once, so you can throw in your peppers whole. Now into the pot where you fried your Irish potato, remember there was still oil. You're going to add your tomatoes, add your green spices alongside your garlic ginger paste, and give this a very good mix. Remember the onion paste, you're going to add some of this to this pot. And as for our meat, we are going to cut it into smaller bits or chunks and then add to our stew pot so it cooks at once. Now this is a process which helps you save time. So once this has cooked properly, we have gotten rid of the sour taste as well as the excess water from the tomato. We are going to add our Irish potato and give this a good mix. We are equally going to adjust seasonings at this point because we are prepared to cook once and for all. Add water after stir frying for 2 minutes without water. Add water, not too much. It should be below the potatoes because these need heat to cook at this point. Excess water will actually overcook your potatoes, and this is what we have. It is ready. Proceed to garnish with green beans, carrots, whichever you love. Throw in your boiled eggs and you're good to go. I'll do another video which is going to be more detailed, but this is actually a very quick and short recipe. Check out the description box. Thank you for watching, and I'll definitely see you in my next video.